Hi, my name is Tyler McManus, one of the co-owners of the Right Products Group, and today we're here to talk about XCI Zoning Systems. XCI Zoning Systems has a couple of unique features out in the market that allow us to differentiate from our competitors. Number one is we only have 3 boards. We have an economy board, we have a 2-zone and a 4-zone board. All of our boards are 3 heat, 2 cool out of the box, allowing you to tie it into any system, becoming the ultimate truck stock system. When we get to our board, we have a huge LCD display that allows the technician to walk through the programming steps to see exactly what he needs to do. We don't utilize dip switches. We'd simply have an up, down, and enter button as it walks your technician through the process. We also utilize push to connect terminals to allow for easy installation of the wiring. XCI is the only third-party aftermarket zone board currently on the market that is A2L compatible. What do I mean by that? Well, we're the only ones that take and integrate that dissipation sensor directly to our board without having to buy a third-party aftermarket accessory board, which is a huge cost savings. Finally, all of our zoning system products come with a 5-year warranty. Moving on to our dampers, XCI has a couple of unique features that are integrated into their dampers. Number one, my favorite feature, which is that we utilize a gear-driven damper in all plays, instead of utilizing a linkage-driven damper. The gear-driven damper allows us to actually modulate the damper to exact positions, allowing us to be compatible with many other competitive products or brands out in the market. We also utilize a LED display on all of our zone actuators, allowing the technician to be able to identify whether or not his 3-wire damper system is in the open or closed position from anywhere in the attic. And our final product is our Premier Zoning Plenum. What's nice about this plenum is it's a turnkey, fully installed, ready to go in the attic zoning plenum. This is zoning simplified. We're gonna go ahead and have everything factory wired, ready to go for you guys. You can get it in a couple of different options or configurations. You can get a 2-zone with bypass or without bypass, a 3-zone with bypass or without, and a 4-zone with bypass or without. Now, most of our dampers work with most of the competitive communicating systems. However, if you do have a communicating system, we can simply order again this same turnkey zone plenum and just drop the board so that you can integrate that communicating board right into our system, allowing for ease of installation. You have a smart bypass controller or static pressure kit right here that allows us to modulate and actuate our actual bypass controller. Whereas most of our competitors' bypasses are a spring open, spring closed, not really regulating, but just dumping air into the bypass. With us, we're gonna sit there and modulate to an exact static pressure as needed in the system, helping to reduce frozen coils and allowing the system to operate at its peak efficiency. The biggest benefit of our turnkey zone plenum is the labor savings alone. I couldn't imagine trying to put all of this together in a 130-degree attic. Now you don't have to. Simply buy this at your local supply house, take it up, build your transition, apply power, and you're ready to go. For more questions or information, contact the Right Products Group or go to xcizoning.com.